Hello, we are in Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary in Karnataka, India. This is a good place. You will see the migratory birds coming from all across the globe. They start migrating from the months of November and December. And today we could see some birds trying to go back to their home place. I do not know where they have come from. However, the man who was carrying us in a boat today said that they will be leaving this country and going back to their destination again. After that, we could see some beautiful trees, flowers, and could get some shade from the trees. Very beautiful, lot of foliage around. We could see the chirping birds and some of the unknown birds. I am not sure about their species though, but I could feel the nature is actually inviting us to this place. I recommend that some of you who are watching this particular video could make an attempt to come to this place and have a look at the beauty of nature, how safe, how amazing this place is. Thank you.